Welcome to 12-7, Convert Units of Time. I can convert units of time. Please go ahead and write lesson 12-7 at the top of your math journal, and below that write your I can statement. I can convert units of time. The next slide are the units of time, and I do want you to go ahead and write these down because we need to know that 1 year is 365 days. We also need to know that 1 year is 12 months, and most importantly, that 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. I've noticed that sometimes we encounter story problems where it asks you to convert a year into weeks, and it's just something you need to know. So 1 year is equal to 52 weeks is very important. And I know in my classroom, as much as possible, we've tried to throw that in to make sure we've learned it. 1 week is 7 days, and 1 day is 24 hours, 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. All important things that you should know as you continue to move through life. So go ahead and write all these down. So push pause and then push play when you are ready to move on. Here is our solve and share problem for 12-7. So you can either rip this out of your volume 2 book and paste it into your math journal, or you can just do the solve and share for 12-7 in your volume 2 book. So you decide what will work best for you. Here in the problem, it says, Emily played softball all weekend. She was wondering the difference in time between the shortest game and the longest game. Can you help her figure it out? So as we look at game 1, it says 78 minutes. Game 2, 1 hour, 10 minutes. Game 3, 1 hour, 8 minutes. Game 4, 85 minutes. And game 5 was 1.5 hours. So just like with everything, when you are converting, you have to keep the same unit. So if you've noticed here, we have minutes, but we also have hour and minutes. So what that means is everything that is an hour, we are going to need to convert to minutes. So 78 minutes is already done. 1 hour and 10 minutes. Well, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we have to take that 60 minutes and add it to 10. So then that would give us 70 minutes. We have 1 hour, 8 minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 60 plus 8 is 68 minutes. Then we have 85 minutes, and then we have 1.5 hours. Well, half an hour is 30 minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 1.5 hours would be 60 plus 30, and that would give us 90 minutes. So we now have all of them converted into minutes. So we have 78 minutes, 1 hour, 10 minutes is 70 minutes. 1 hour, 8 minutes is 68 minutes. We have 85 minutes, and we have 1.5 hours, which would be 60 plus 30, which is 90 minutes. So it says, can you help her figure it out? And we want to help her figure out. She was wondering the difference. Difference is our keyword we're going to box because difference means we need to subtract in time between the shortest game and the longest game. So I think the shortest game and the longest game is also important to box because that means we need to subtract the difference in the longest game minus the shortest game. So when we look at the information we're going to use, the shortest game would be the less minutes. So we have 78 minutes, 70 minutes, 68 minutes, 85 minutes, 90 minutes. So game 3 is our shortest game. So that is 68 minutes. And the longest game will be game 5, which is 90 minutes. So we need to take our longest game, which is 90, and subtract it from our shortest game, which is 68 minutes. And you can choose to count up. You could go 68 to 78, 88. So that would be 20, 89, 90. So it could be 22. There'd be a difference of 22 minutes. And I counted up into that in my head. Now, some of you maybe are unable to do that and you just need to use the standard algorithm for subtraction. So you're used to going next door and getting 10 more. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So either way, we're showing 22 minutes. So what is the difference between the shortest game and the longest game? We would say the difference is 22 minutes as our answer. So now we're going to move on and we are going to look here at Khalid, and he plotted the time and he has all of the games plotted. He did the longest minus the shortest and got 22 minutes. Here, this talks a little bit about, oh, they're converting to find it all, but they once again got 22 minutes. So what you're going to do in your writing, in your math journal today, it says, please summarize your own thinking below and be ready to share your problem solving method in class tomorrow. So we're not going to be in class tomorrow, but down below, what I want all of you to do for your summarizing is I actually want you to make a line plot, and I want you to plot game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4, and game 5. I want you to circle the shortest and the longest. And then I want you to write about how you converted the minutes to the hours to minutes.